Car Fusion is your ultimate destination for in-depth car reviews, where we bring you the latest insights into the most exciting vehicles on the market. Today, we dive into the 2025 Lamborghini Huracan Tecnica, a masterpiece of engineering that blends breathtaking performance with precision handling and cutting-edge technology. This model stands as a bridge between the track-focused STO and the road-friendly Evo, offering an exhilarating driving experience for those who crave both speed and control. The heart of the Huracan Tecnica is a naturally aspirated 5.2-liter V10 engine that roars with 640 horsepower and 565 Nm of torque. Paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, it delivers lightning-fast gear shifts, ensuring seamless power delivery. With a rear-wheel drive setup, this machine accelerates from 0 to 60 mph in just 3.2 seconds, providing an electrifying rush with every press of the throttle. Its top speed reaches an impressive 202 mph, making it a force to be reckoned with on both the track and open roads. Lamborghini has designed the Huracan Tecnica with a perfect balance of aerodynamics and aggressive styling. The sharper lines and reworked front and rear bumpers contribute to enhanced airflow and downforce, improving stability at high speeds. A newly designed rear wing not only adds to the visual appeal, but also increases aerodynamic efficiency. The lightweight carbon fiber elements further enhance performance, ensuring that this supercar remains nimble without compromising structural integrity. Step inside and you're greeted with a driver-faced cockpit that combines luxury with functionality. The interior is a blend of Alcantara, carbon fiber, and premium leather, ensuring a high-end feel with race-ready aesthetics. The new HMI interface on the central touchscreen allows seamless access to vehicle settings, navigation, and connectivity features. Customization options let drivers personalize their experience, whether it's the stitching on the seats or the choice of carbon fiber finishes. The Lamborghini Dinamica Veicolo Integrata system optimizes performance by adjusting traction, steering, and suspension dynamics in real time, giving drivers maximum control on every road surface. The Huracan Tecnica is more than just a performance beast. It's also packed with advanced technology to enhance the driving experience. The infotainment system includes Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Amazon Alexa integration, ensuring connectivity on the go. The digital instrument cluster provides a clear, customizable display of performance metrics, navigation, and essential vehicle data. Lamborghini's telemetry system helps track driving performance, making it a valuable tool for those who take their Huracan to the track. One of the key highlights of the Huracan Tecnica is its rear-wheel steering system, which improves agility at lower speeds and enhances stability at higher speeds. The recalibrated suspension and advanced brake cooling system ensure that braking performance remains consistent even under intense driving conditions. The carbon ceramic brakes provide exceptional stopping power, delivering confidence whether on winding roads or sharp turns on a circuit. Lamborghini has also taken steps to improve daily drivability, making the Huracan Tecnica more adaptable to various driving environments. The 3 driving modes, Strada, Sport, and Corsa, allow drivers to adjust the vehicle's response to match their mood and surroundings. Strada mode prioritizes comfort and efficiency. Sport mode unlocks more aggressive throttle and exhaust responses, while Corsa mode is designed for maximum track performance, offering precise handling and sharper shifts. The 2025 Lamborghini Huracan Tecnica is a perfect blend of power, design, and innovation. It maintains the raw spirit of a supercar while incorporating advanced features that make it more engaging and user-friendly. Whether you're an enthusiast looking for a thrilling ride or someone who appreciates the artistry behind Lamborghini's engineering, this model delivers an unforgettable experience. For more in-depth car reviews, specs, and features, make sure to stay tuned to Car Fusion. Subscribe now and join us on this journey through the world of high-performance automobiles.